Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag slash what fits in my Palm Springs mini backpack. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I asked some of my followers on Instagram if they wanted to see a what's in my bag slash what fits, and you guys voted, so thank you so much for that. And also, if you are not following me on Instagram, please do. I will leave my name down here, but it is Everybody Loves Drea. So yeah, so I purchased this bag, I want to say a few months ago. I will link above the unboxing that I did on my channel. At first, this was a total fad. I was like, there is no way I'm buying this. I'm not a backpack girl. This is so small. What am I going to fit in here? I am a never full. I am a Chanel maxi. I am like a big bag girl. So I was like, there's no way I will be able to fit anything in this bag. And I was so wrong. This bag is so deceiving. You can fit so much in it, and YouTube made me buy it. YouTube convinced me that I needed this bag, so I bit the bullet. If you watch my unboxing, you'll hear more of the story and more of the backstory about this bag. You can wear it a few different ways. I wear it as a crossbody. I find that to be the most comfortable, and I love how they are adjustable and removable straps. There are so many different ways that you can hook on the straps. You can wear it like kind of like how people are wearing the fanny packs across their chest, but yeah, I always just carry it with the one strap. There are two, the other one's in the box, but I just prefer it this way. I find it better for my lifestyle. And also, this is the newer version, so it has the exposed zipper, and it's just adorable. Like, I just literally fell in love, and I love that it is the black leather, it's the coated canvas, so it's not gonna patina, it's gonna stay. Take it in all weathers. It can rain, it can snow. In Michigan it does both. So yeah, so that's always good. That's what really sold me on this, but I'm obsessed with it. I use this basically like an everyday bag. If you see me just running out of my house, I'll usually have this. It's just so convenient for me, and I've also been taking it to work as well. So now I'm going to show you what I keep in the bag, and then I'm also going to give you some different scenarios of what fits in the bag. So here we go. Okay, so here is the backpack right here. I had taken these straps off just so it'll be easier to show you guys. But this backpack is so full. I had taken it to work today, so it has all of my essentials. I will show you. It fits a lot, so you guys, it is very deceiving. So let's open it up. Well, first, I never put anything in here. This is so hard to get into. I wish it was an exposed zipper like the top. But yeah, I can't even get in this with or without my nails. So yeah, that's kind of pointless. But in the bag, look at how much stuff fits, you guys. So first, let's pull this out. These are my keys. I have a mace on here. I have my key fob, and then I have my key clay. Then I have my phone. This is the iPhone 11, and this case is from Amazon. Then I have some sunglasses that are from Forever 21. I get a lot of comments on this about Instagram, so if I can find this, I will link them down below or link something similar. Then I have this really cute AirPods case that looks like a Celine bag. Well, it is a Celine bag, but yeah, this is super cute. It just holds my AirPods. Then I have this little name tag. This is what I use to get into the building that I work in. I got this off of Etsy. Then I have this clip for my hair. I have a hand sanitizer. I have my wallet, which is the zippy coin purse. This is my downsized wallet when I carry this bag or any smaller bags. Then I have some gum, which is kind of unnecessary to have this big of a container, and there's only 3 left, but I'm trying to use it up. Then I usually would not carry this, but this is the perfume that I was wearing. This is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. This does not have a long lasting power on me, so I bring it for touch up. Then I have these wet ones, and you can see that the bottom there's still things in here. I have Carmex. I have Flonase because I have bad allergies. I have a this Image skincare lip balm. This is really, really good. I get this off of Amazon. Then I have some like random change at the bottom. Don't know where that came from, but I have it. And then if you can see, which I'm not sure if you can, but there is a pocket back here, and it just houses some little alcohol wipes. So now that you see that everything that I have in the bag, I'm going to give you guys some different variations of what you can carry, and I'm going to give you guys some different scenarios, so I will be right back. Okay, so now on any regular day, I'm going to usually have my wallet with me, so we'll put that in. I'll have my AirPods because I like to listen to music and to podcasts at work, so we need those. I'll need my little badge to get into the building. I'll need my phone. And you guys, it's really all about placement with this bag. You can fit so much in here. I know it's very deceiving and it looks like, oh my God, how am I gonna fit anything in there? But it really is all about placement. Of course, if you're driving, you'll need your keys. And this also can be doubled as a wallet. I do carry some things pertaining to my car in here, but I don't know, I don't really use it as a wallet. I like to bring the coin purse. And then of course you'll need your hand sanitizer. You could pack your sunglasses, but usually I just wear them either like tucked into my shirt, or I'm wearing them, or put them on my head, so I won't put those in there. If I'm not wearing makeup, I definitely want to wear my Carmax. I will bring these as well. Bring like a downsize, like smaller gum that's more realistic for this bag. And then I'm also going to bring a mask for if I go into a store, or I have to wear them at work, so I will bring that. And it zips no problem. Now let's take all this out. Okay, so now we're back. The bag is now empty again. I want to show you guys, if you have a bigger wallet, that there is literally no way for this to fit. So that's why I always go for my little downsized wallet. It's a cute little baby of this one. Just wanted to let you guys know that. And now say that you're taking this out at night. So now I have my Toiletry 15, and I have this filled with some powder for my face. I have a lip liner, a lipstick, and then I have a brush to apply the powder. This one is from Sephora. I got it from Being a Rouge, and I think I have a lip gloss. Yeah, I have See-Through Lip Gloss by MAC. Love that one. I'm obsessed. Oh, you can fit other essentials in here. So now let's say you want to bring your gum. Sanitizer won't fit in here, but that's okay. We'll just, you know, put that in there on its own. So now we have this. So this does take up majority of the space, so it's best, like, I don't really like to have bare items, but I think it's better than having an actual catch-all, but that's my opinion. You guys can do whatever you like. So now we're going to put in our wallets. If you are driving, you want to put in your keys. Stuff that mace in there. I really need to get a new mace case, but it's okay. Then we'll stuff in the hand sanitizer. Now we need the mask. Let's try to slide this in the back, just in case we touch anything or want to wipe some stuff down. So that looks really good. I think that's it. I don't know if we should pack any more of these things because these all just seem pretty random. Maybe if you decide to wear a perfume that doesn't last too long, maybe you can bring it to touch up. That will fit no problem. And yeah, so there you go. So there's the other option for us. And now let's say that you have a mini pochette. So let's see what we can fit in here to put in your gum. I don't really like to put liquids in here because this is not the wipeable interior. This is like the inside of the canvas. So I don't really recommend putting in things that leak. I really recommend this, the Toiletry 15, because you can wipe this down. It's all personal preference. Whatever you guys have totally works. And you don't need all Louis Vuitton. You don't need it. You can find really cute pouches that fit, no problem. Actually, let me show you guys some. This little makeup bag that is from MAC. This does fit in here. It's a little like bendable. So yeah, so let's try to see if some things, well, this will fit a lot of things. This literally just fit in there, no problem. So you guys, you do not need to have all SLGs from Louis Vuitton or Chanel or anything like that. Don't feel like you need to have it. Like with the mini pochette, let's see what we should put in here. Maybe the mask. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna just throw the hand sanitizer in here. And maybe like a lipstick, lip gloss. So let's zip this up. And then this one fits, no problem. And you do have some room. So now let's say that you just want to grab your keys and you put your cards and money in your clay. So we're going to just forget the wallet this time. We're going to throw that in. We're going to throw in our phone. And we'll still bring these wet wipes. And now also, you guys, if you are mommies or you have kids, some baby wipes do fit in here as well. I don't have any kids, but I do have baby wipes. So yeah, that fits no problem. So there is so many ways that you can fill this up. This bag is very deceiving. You will think this is so small. I know I did. I thought it was so small. I thought there's no way I'm going to use this. There's no way I'll be able to fit anything because I am a big bag girl. Because I need big bags, but I catch myself using this literally every day. It is perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Leave me some suggestions as well for some further videos. And share with your friends. And please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.